This work is essentially looking at the amount of irrigation required for landscapes, so not just one type of plant, but mixed species landscapes that we actually see in Florida, and also determining the minimum amount of irrigation that can sustain those landscapes with good quality. We picked common turfgrass and woody ornamental species that were very common in Florida landscapes, probably found in almost any Florida landscape. So we picked those as sort of our benchmark and combined those in different ways. And essentially what you see here at the site we're at today is we mixed those in large tanks. We call those lysimeters, where we can capture all the water inputs and all the water outputs and measure those, so we can figure out how much water those plants, those landscapes are actually using. The work that we're doing here builds upon at least 70 or 80 years of research on energy balance approach to determining evapotranspiration. So we've used those fundamental ideas and theories about ET to determine specifically how much these mixed landscapes need. And one of the major outcomes has been that in the wintertime they need about half as much irrigation as they do during the summertime. Some of the results from this project indicate that during peak periods that the mixed species landscapes can receive irrigation anywhere from once a week to every 1.5 weeks or so, and still maintain very good quality. So that's good news. That means that the 1-day-a-week restrictions in this case, where we're customizing the irrigation for those landscapes, can work. But the difference is with water use restrictions, it's a 1 day a week. It's Monday every week. Whereas in this case, we're giving it the day that it needs it. It's a big difference. A critical piece of this whole picture of water in our environment is water quality. We've talked about water quantity, and we've often done projects where we've worked on water quantity but not quality. But it's really a system. You have to think of every aspect of it. So putting this together has been very valuable, and it took a team to do it. Essentially came to the conclusion that many landscapes are over-irrigated to the tune of 2 to 3 times what they need. We need to back the water off and work on the water quality aspects while still providing a product or a landscape that is aesthetically pleasing. I hope that the information that we've developed here, partnering with a public agency, that information could then be taken and used to optimize the amount of water that people in real landscapes in real homes and businesses are using